So guys, if you are using GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, Yo WhatsApp, and you are also having a concern that whenever you type any message and you try to send that message, the message is not sent instantly. Sometimes it takes 1 hour, 2 hours just to send that. And it also happens to you that when one of your friend or any of your friend is sending a text or message to you on WhatsApp, then you are not receiving that message timely. Like after 1 hour, 2 hours, you get the message. Sometimes when we open the application, then we receive the message. So such kind of issues you are having, then this video is for you. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you 100% solution. If you're also having an issue of notification, if you're also having a issue of offline messages, then how would you sort it out? I'll tell you today in this video. So without wasting time, let us start the video and let's come to the topic. So guys, if you're not receiving the message, there are 3 steps that you have to follow. First thing that you have to do, just long press in your application and thereafter click on I button. Once when you click on I button, then just you will reach to the app settings. Click on app setting and then go to the storage. Once when you click on storage, there are 2 options, clear data and clear cache. What you have to do, first click on clear cache. Don't click on clear data. Make sure that you click on clear cache. This was the first step. Just come out of that application and thereafter open that application. This was the first step that you have to follow. Now let us talk about the second step. Whatever version you are using, maybe you are using GB WhatsApp 16.30.00 or you are using 16.10.0, maybe you are using any other version like 8.86 or 12.00 or 11.30. Maybe you are using FM WhatsApp, GB WhatsApp, Yo WhatsApp. These trick will work in all the applications. First step was quite same. Let's talk about the second step. What should be the second step? In second step, first click on your application, open it and thereafter click on 3 dots and go to the app settings. Maybe you are using GB WhatsApp, then click on GB settings. If you are using FM WhatsApp, then click on FM settings. If you are using Yo WhatsApp, then click on Yo settings. If you are using any other version, then click and go to the setting option. And thereafter go to the privacy and security and just click on that and disable all the options that you enabled earlier. Like last scene, you enabled, just disable that, and thereafter you will see that the blue ticks, these all the options that you enabled earlier, just disable these all. I will tell you how to enable. Please first disable these all the things and thereafter come out of your application and restart your application. This was the second step. Whatever application you are using, this trick will work in all the applications. Let's talk about the third step now. Now what you have to do, maybe you are using GB WhatsApp and you're chatting with 100 of your friends. Then one thing is quite sure that these privacies you don't want to enable for all of your friends. Sometimes it happens that we chat, then we want to apply these settings like blue tick after reply or freeze last scene. We want to apply only these settings for 3 or 4 friends. So now the step you have to take it, just first open the chat section of that friend where you want to apply these settings. Click on that chat option and thereafter you will click on top. And then you will just click on side. You will see here the custom privacy option. Just enable this option, custom and privacy. Once you enable this option, then you will see multiple options are here, like blue ticks after reply, double tick, hide, typing, are all the privacy options that you find rarely you find earlier in GB settings. Now you will find here. So what you have to do, apply all those settings that you want to apply here, just for a particular contact. Don't apply for all of your contacts, just apply these settings for particular contact. 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever friends you want to apply these settings, just do the same thing. Don't go for the public privacy like you go to directly to GB settings, Yo settings and FM settings, and there you just go to the privacy and security and then you apply these settings. Don't do that. What happens, it affects the algorithm of WhatsApp exactly. A number of messages are coming every day and then you apply a filter, and when you apply a filter in a whole GB WhatsApp or FM WhatsApp or Yo WhatsApp, then these filters impact the algorithm of WhatsApp. And what happens, then we send a message, the message is not sent. When we try to receive a message, the message is not received. Just try to do this. These 3 steps will work. 110% these steps will work. First thing, clear case. Second thing, disable all the privacy and security that you enabled earlier in the privacy and security portion, and then use custom privacy. Use custom privacy whatever version you are using. Just try this, and after this all, and one more thing, if you are having an issue of notification in custom privacy, you will see also the notification option. Just properly set all those things, and thereafter you will be able to receive all the messages properly, and you will be able to send more messages properly. So I hope you like this information. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon. So very soon we'll see you again. For the time being, bye bye and take care.